Or really, it's good to see me, huh? Because I can't see you. Well, today I'm going to do an unboxing of a painting kit that my friend Mel sent me. She has this really groovy, cool business where you can paint along with Mel and you can paint with your friends there. And she provide everything you need. Plus, you could be drinking wine while you're doing that. And maybe some of you have done those things. I've done one. I didn't finish. I wasn't very great at it yet. But this one, I ordered two alike to take down to when I go to visit my sister and stay with her a little bit soon. And I thought, well, that was something the two of us could do together. And I know she's already done several of those and she's pretty good at it, I think. So this will be a breeze for her and she can help me. But luckily you don't have to have any experience because Mel will lead you through it. So let's get to unboxing the Paint with Mel box. And it looks like this. And Mel told me that the box can turn into your easel. So that's really great. We don't have an easel around and not many of us do. Well, I live with a bunch of artists. I do have it around. But most of us don't have easels around. All right, so be careful when you open the box. I kind of already cut it to save time. And when you open it up, it's in this nice paper wrap. That's great, right? No, you don't have to worry about throwing away plastic. You can recycle all of it. Yay! I'd probably draw on this paper and do fun things with it and then get rid of it. Okay, so opening up, the first thing I notice are these beautiful acrylic paints that Mel includes in the kit. These are the colors that I need and my sister will need for painting the scene that I chose. So if you go on her website, you'll get to pick out the scenes from the scenes there and you pick out what you want to paint. And I'll show you in a minute what I picked out because I can see that she included a picture of it, which is great. Okay, so here's the acrylics. I'm hoping that'll be enough for my sister. We'll each have this much, but my sister already told me that she uses a lot of paint when she paints, which is a great technique. And so maybe she already has some of these colors around. So I'll give her a heads up what colors are here. Okay, what else is in this box? Oh, next we have the brushes, which is really groovy. So evidently we're gonna need two sizes of brushes. And that's great because I'm a former elementary school teacher, and as I was packing up and cleaning my classroom, I decided to leave the brushes behind. I had many, many, many beautiful brushes I collected over the 30 plus years. And but I thought, well, did you really purchase those all with your own money? Just to be on the safe side, I better leave it for the next teacher. So I need these. All right, that's great. So you'll get your brushes and your paint. Ooh, what's this? Wow, it's a book. I wonder, it could be a sketching pad. Maybe you could sketch it out. Or, oh, I bet I know. I bet it's for palettes, little mini palettes. It's nice thick paper. Yeah. And so for mixing the colors that you'll need, because you won't be using all of these just solid colors. I imagine you're gonna have to mix some colors. So these would be great little mixing papers. Yeah, they're really thick and kind of shiny. Maybe a little clay in there too, so it won't bleed through. Woohoo! Good. All right. So I'm so glad she included a picture of the painting I chose to do. So this is it. And the title of it is up there is Spring Meadow. And then at the bottom is her website that you can go to choose yours. And I'll put her website also in the comments on my YouTube video, and then maybe on Facebook if I post it on Facebook. Okay, so it's www.paintwithmel.com. Isn't that precious? I just love that picture. I hope my sister likes it too. All right, okay, looks like there's one more thing in the box. Oh, there's a card for more information and website information and a phone number. Because what if you are in the middle of trying to put that pizza box together? I probably will be, because I'm gonna have to look pizza box, put in the box and make an easel out of it. Because I'll probably get stuck. I'm sure I can figure it out, but if I do, I might just skip our call. All right. And then I'm assuming this is the canvas. It feels like a canvas, and it's all wrapped in this nice paper with this cute sticker, Paint with Mel. Gotta open it up. Yep, it's the canvas. Okay. there you go. Isn't awesome? That is so awesome. And I think she also imprinted it with her design name. That's so great. All right, I'm gonna look under the paper. Ooh, glad I did, because there's a note. Send me a note. A thank you note, Joan. Thank you so much for painting with me. I hope you have a ton of fun. I can't wait to see photos of your finished pieces. Cheers. XOXO Mel. I'm gonna have a ton of fun painting with Mel. So yay! That's the unboxing of the Paint with Mel paint kit. Woohoo! Thanks for watching. Bye.